So this Google Home Mini, this was actually connected to my old device, which unfortunately I lost. And now the problem is, whenever I am connecting to a new phone, it will be able to detect the device, but when it is connected and after further connection, it is saying that this device is already connected to one device and you will have to factory reset. Okay, you will see that it will be able to detect, no issue, but as soon as I will go to the next step, I'm just trying to show you everything. This device was previously set up by a different user. Please factory reset this device. Okay, but the problem is, I think its reset button is not working. Okay, back side, actually I have opened it everything, so I don't want to disturb much, but you see this button is there now. So this button, if you press, you can go back to factory reset, but the problem is I think this button is not working. Okay,
By the way, the mic is on mute. To unmute it,
okay, so the thing is, I will show you. I will press it for more than 20 seconds and nothing will happen. 1 2 3. So basically in 20 seconds it should reset, but it's not happening somehow. So what I have decided, somewhere I have seen in Reddit or in Quora that if I will switch on and switch off 10 times, totally 11 times, then it should factory reset by itself without the reset button. So let's try this. Okay, so I will switch this off, and again I will switch on. So this is the first time. Like that I am going to repeat 11 times. I will not waste your time in that, but I will just do the countdown and I will write here that first, second, third time I have already done, and let us see if this trick and hack really works. So this is the 11th time. Okay, so I did 11th time, and now let's see if something good has happened or not. Please, please, please don't say this time. Oh wow. Something very wrong. Shit, I forgot the password. So I think this trick has really worked because I have never gone this far. Never ever. Okay Google. I think the mic is off. Okay
the
Google.
microphone is back on.
Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. So now it is working perfectly. I will show you how. Hey Google, how is the weather today?
Today in Awara Chori, it'll be sunny, with a forecast high of 28 and a low of 14.
Okay.
Currently, it's 27 degrees and sunny.
Hey Google, play music.
Playing on YouTube Music.
Okay, I will cut it here because it will give me some copyright. So no, I don't want it. Okay, so actually this trick works, so you can use it. The only suggestion I will give you, whenever you are switching off and on, so you do not wait for the orange light or the multiple color light. As soon as the all lights will be on white color, as soon as they will blink sequentially, you switch it off and switch it on again. Wait for the lights to switch on sequentially, that white light 1 2 3 4, then you switch off and switch on again. Okay, you will have to do this 10 times, totally 11 times. Actually you will get it. Whenever the pattern is different after 10, then you stop, because I'm not sure it was 10th or 11th attempt, but this trick actually worked, so you can use it if your button is not working. Thank you.